I'm going to be showing you how to select external mic on your iPhone in Discord. So if you want to use an external microphone on Discord for iPhone, here's a clear step-by-step guide. So the first thing you need to do is connect your external mic. You can use either a wired mic, just plug it into your lightning port, or if you have a Type-C, you can do that as well. Or you can use a Bluetooth mic. Just pair it via settings, or you can just swipe down from your control center, just tap there, long press here, and select your Bluetooth device. So iOS will usually automatically route audio through the connected microphone. And once you've done that, just go ahead and open your Discord app, it's right there, and just join a voice channel or DM call and just check microphone input. You can also test your mic and make sure Discord is allowed to use the mic from your settings. You also need to know that Bluetooth mics may introduce a small delay. Some cheap adapters may not support mic input, only audio output. So if Discord isn't picking up the mic, just disconnect or reconnect it or restart the iPhone. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.